What up, y'all? It's your boy Kader, aka Mr. Fresh on Campus. It's who I am, is what I am, and this is Frag Talk. We got another unboxing today. We got another first impression today. This one is a scent that I've been waiting to get my hands on all year, all summer, since I heard about the bad boy. You know what I'm saying? But it always stays sold out. And I ran across a tester, and it's for a good price. So I had to hit that click button and cop. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. I already done bust the box open because I had another fragrance in here. And it was a tester too. I like testers. I'm a shop for testers because they cheaper. And you get the same thing. And don't nobody care about the box. I'll throw the box away anyway. But let's get into it. All this random paper, packing paper. Let's see. This is the first time I got a tester like this, so it is what it is. But this is a tester. Came from a reputable. Alright, so my bad, y'all. We had some technical difficulties. The camera died on me, but you know, we're gonna keep it pushing. And we back. Like I was saying before, I've never gotten a tester like this without the box or whatever in it on it. But you know, it is what it is. I got most of the juice in that bad boy. And this is the scent. And the scent is by Micallef GNTONIC. It's supposed to be just a banger. And this is your bottle. You got that frosted glass with that green juice in there. You got some little ridges, look like little rocks or crystals or whatever coming out of that frosted glass. Got Micallef on that side with the GNTONIC name on the bottom. Got the tester sticker on the back with the fragrance pyramid on it. On the bottom, you got your batch code and sticker and all kind of good stuff like that. Look at this top. You got the Micallef logo, I guess, on there. And the top is metal. And it don't click or nothing in the place. It's not secured, but it's tight, it's snug. But I wouldn't pick it up like this. I'll be carrying it around by that or whatever. Real heavy, it's metal. It's cool, but that's that. Y'all ain't really worried too much about the bottle and the box and all that other stuff. Y'all worry about that juice that's in this bad boy. So we gonna get the spray in the air and my tester strip, and we gonna see what we're talking about. See what it's talking about. What it's hitting for. Got that atomizer lined up. Woo! Not pressurized. And that bad boy is fresh. What's that, ginger in there? Oh man. It smells a little effervescent. Bro, look at that. Can't beat it. Daggone pressurized atomizer. All these other brands doing these whack atomizers, cheapskates, make us pay all that money for that, and you can't even give us a good atomizer. Oh yeah. It smells like lemon and lime, like a Sprite. But a little bit of like seltzer water, tonic type flavor. It smells like I don't drink, so I can't really say what it smells like, but I would imagine. But it smells like lime, definitely lime and alcohol. So y'all tell me in the comments what drinks have lime and alcohol and seltzer water or tonic water or whatever. Was that a mojito or something? This bad boy smell good though. I'm gonna smell good with this home. And I got a little bit of time to wear it because fall is approaching, and this smells like something that'll be pumping off my skin in the warmer months. But let's go to Parfumo and see what they talking about on Micallef GNTONIC. Trying to get a good. There we go. Don't mind me. Oh, there we go. That way. Yeah, there we go. And Parfumo. Let's see. GNTONIC. All right, so they are giving Micallef a 7.3 out of 10 with 309 ratings. So that means it's a solid fragrance. 300 people said that joint is a 7.3 out of 10. That's above average. And what was it? It was released in 2023. I know that. It's fresh, citrusy, and it's still in production. Your main accords, you got fresh, you got citrus, you got green, you got woody, and you got synthetic. Off the top, you got ginger, lime, which I said. You got peppermint. Oh, pepper in that bad boy, okay. Bitter orange and pink pepper. It's a little spicy. Then in the heart notes, you got cedar, nutmeg, lily of the valley, and orange blossom. Okay, orange blossom in here too. Okay, I like that. Then in the base, you got white musk, moss, sandalwood, vetiver, and amber. So the fragrance pyramid is loaded with a lot of notes that I like and happen to be good notes. You know what I'm saying? You got ginger, that's gonna be real poppy, effervescent. It's gonna, you know, pop off the skin. Lime, I like lime. Peppermint, I ain't really got into peppermint, but peppermint do smell good. That pink pepper is a spice that's real popular in fragrance. The cedar and the sandalwood is gonna make it real smooth and creamy like. And the orange blossom, of course, that's good. So overall, I ain't mad at it. You know what I'm saying? The gin and tonic, I'm glad I waited. And I'm glad I got a good price and a good bottle of this bad boy, because I'm gonna really get this a run for its money. Have you smelled gin and tonic? Do you know about Micallef? Have you heard about any of his other brands or whatever like that? But, you know, this is my interpretation and my first impressions of gin and tonic by Micallef. And until next time, I want y'all to stay fresh as can be. There ain't no guarantee you're gonna be as fresh as me. And your baby mama say I smell better than you. Respectfully. But hold up, can't end it there, because I need y'all to like, follow, and subscribe to all the social media. Mr. Fresh on Campus Frag Talk. Make sure you go hit me up, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna talk fragrances together. I'm out.